When Charlie went to the ticket window to purchase two tickets to Galesburg, the clerk at the ticket window calculated the fare, and when Charlie offered him the money, the clerk was astonished to see the money and told him that it was not money. Actually, Charlie was in 1894 and the currency in use at that time was different from he was having in his pocket. The clerk thought that he was trying to cheat him with fake currency and threatened to send him to prison. And thinking that there was nothing nice about going to jail even in 1894, Charlie ran away from there, and he said that he went back the same way and he was again back in the modern world. And then next day, when he had time in his office in his lunch hour, he got exchanged the modern currency he was having in his bank. He got it exchanged with the old currency that was in use in 1894. And he had a plan that he would again go to the third level of Grand Central Station with that old currency and purchase two tickets to Galesburg. Though he got less money, less value of money for in exchange of his modern currency, but he was not worried as he knew that though he got less value for his modern currency, but the things were very cheap in 1894 and he was going to spend his old currency over there. But after that, though Charlie tried many a times, he could never find that third level. And his wife Lucia always asked him to stop looking for third level, as she thought that it was his imagination and it was because of his mental tension that he was searching for the third level. After some time, Charlie said that he also stopped looking for third level, but nowadays he says that he, along with his own wife Lucia, who was at first against finding the third level, she was also finding the third level with him. What happened? He describes that one day he was going through his stamp collection when he found a first day cover. He explains what a first day cover is. First day cover is that stamp which is posted by the stamp collector to his own address on the day the stamp is issued. This is a common practice done by the stamp collectors, that when a stamp is issued, when a stamp is published by the government, they purchase it and stamp it on an empty envelope and post it on their own address in order to get the date that, and in order to keep it in their record, the fact that the date on which the stamp was issued. This empty envelope is called first day cover.